And now we can start with our recipe. For the recipe, for the chocolate cream liqueur, we are going to use, or you can use, your choice of coffee. I would have preferred espresso, but we already used everything up. And we use instant coffee, granules for that. You can use espresso. This is Nesquik Gold. Rich aroma, smooth taste.
Intensity is a 7.
Okay, so it's also quite a bit of a strong one. Or here's a mild, the 6. So this one is also just above mild, I'll say.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you can also, according to your own taste, use as much as you prefer. I just want to go over our base recipe with you, or Daniel can do that. Okay, this is a cream liqueur, a recipe that we got online. So I think we are going to share that as a base, but then we'll share our own recipe with you as well, which is going to be different.
Okay, so for your base recipe, you need 1 cup of your distilled alcohol.
At 40%
ABV, yeah. 1 can or 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. 1 cup heavy cream or full fat milk,
which I don't have here. For our own recipe, we decided to use evaporated milk. The reason for that is, instead of using fresh cream, this will make it more shelf stable for a longer time. So we adapted our recipe according to that, but I'll get to our recipe after she finished the base recipe. No, go.
Okay. 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup or melted dark chocolate. 1 teaspoon instant coffee or 1 shot of espresso. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, which is there somewhere. And then optional is half a teaspoon almond extract or a pinch of nutmeg, just for that tips.
Coming to our own recipe, just using a bit of different ingredients. Still 1 cup of your distilled spirit, approved to 40% ABV. Still your coffee of choice. Still your condensed milk. Okay, like I said, we are using evaporated milk to make it more shelf stable for a longer time. And instead of chocolate syrup, we decided to go with chocolate powder like Nesquik, or in this case it's Boston Shake. And for our other recipe, we are going to use strawberry. And with the strawberry, I'm going to use banana extract. Tell me what I need to do.